In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Gmail in your web browser and update your display name so that when you send emails, recipients see the name you've chosen. We'll start by opening Gmail, navigate through some settings, and finally change the display name associated with your emails. It's a straightforward process, so let's get started. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. Once you have that open, navigate to Gmail by typing mail.google.com into the address bar and hitting enter. This should bring up the Gmail homepage. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your login credentials, your email and password to access your inbox. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your Gmail page. Here, you'll see the gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Click on this gear icon to drop down a set of quick settings. You'll notice various options here, but for today, we'll keep it simple and focused. From this quick settings menu, look for the option labeled See All Settings. By selecting this, you'll be taken to a more comprehensive settings page, filled with tabs that allow you to customize different aspects of your Gmail experience. In the settings menu, find and click on the tab labeled either Accounts and Import or simply Accounts. This tab is where you'll find options related to your email addresses and related accounts. Now, under the Accounts and Import tab, look for the section titled Send Mail As. Here, you'll see your current email address along with your current name display setting. Nearby, there should be an option labeled Edit Info. Go ahead and click Edit Info next to your email address. This will open a pop-up window where you can make changes to your display name. In the pop-up window, you'll see your current name displayed. There will also be a text box where you can type in a new name. This is the name that will be displayed on emails you send, so think about how you'd like to be represented. After entering your preferred name, locate the Save Changes button at the bottom of the window. By clicking Save Changes, you ensure that your new display name is saved and will appear for all future emails you send from this account. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your Gmail display name through your web browser. It's a small change, but it can provide a significant impact by personalizing how you're seen in your email interactions. Once you're done, feel free to close the settings window and return to your inbox. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide clear and easy to follow. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and guides like this one. Thank you for watching.